480 turns on the primary winding, 480 turns on primary winding, right. A single phase transformer has 480 turns on primary winding and 90 turns on secondary winding. Full stop. The maximum value of magnetic flux density, the maximum value of magnetic flux density is 1.1 Tesla. Full stop. Oh, here I'm facing some network issues. No, 1 second. I will share my screen. Right. Note it down. A single phase transformer has 480 turns on primary winding and 90 turns on secondary winding. The maximum value of magnetic flux density is 1.1 Tesla, that is capital B suffix M, the given maximum value Bm, 1.1 Tesla, full stop. When 2200 volts, 50 Hz is applied to transformer primary winding, that is a primary side. Now they are asking to calculate maximum flux and cross sectional area of core. Also they are asking cross sectional area of core. Still the network is unstable. Cross sectional area of core and the secondary induced EMF. This is the problem. So first of all of you it's continuously connecting and disconnecting. Ma, was the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. Note it down, ma. The problem and
Sir, lobby లో కథను వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్.
yes, ma. Already allowed. Now no
Thank
one
you,
is
sir.
there. Yeah. So they given in the problem as single phase transformer with some number of turns on primary side. So primary side in the sense we have to denote it by N1. How much they given? 480 turns. What is the formula to calculate the EMF of a single phase transformer? I think yesterday we derived EMF equation of single phase transformer. Tell me for primary side, what is the EMF equation? Formula to calculate for a single phase transformer. Right. Tell me, ma, the formula of E1. Quick. What is the EMF equation of single phase transformer? Quick. What is the EMF equation? One second, ma. Now tell me 4 point.
4.44
Okay, 4.44.
5m
5m
Fn1.
Fn1. Very good. So that means E1 equal to 4.44, some constant we obtain, and the maximum flux 5m, and frequency f, and the number of turns on primary side as N1. Now what they are given, N1 value given. Next, is there any new value given on primary winding, and 90 turns, that is N2. On secondary side, they given 90 turns, that is N2 value they are given. And next, the maximum value of magnetic flux density as 1.1 Tesla. Flux density indicated by capital B, and they mention as maximum value of flux density, that is Bm. How much they given? 1.1 Tesla. So what is the formula of flux density? Phi m by A. Flux per unit area. Next, still is there any parameters they given? When 2200 volts, 50 hertz is applied to transformer primary winding. So primary winding, the primary side voltage, how much they mentioned? E1 value 2200 volts. That is on transformer primary. Now they are asking for maximum flux. Maximum flux in the sense this value, phi m value we need to calculate. And cross-sectional area of the core. Area of the core in the sense we need to calculate capital A. They given Bm value directly, but we don't know these two parameters. Later we need to calculate E2. Can anyone tell me the formula of transformation ratio? K equal to in terms of voltages. Voltage transformation ratio. Voltage transformation ratio.
E2 by E1.
Very good. E2 by E1. And in terms of number of turns, K formula. In terms of number of turns.
N2 by N1.
Very good. E2 by E1 equal to N2 by N1. So by using this formula, shall I write like this? E2 by E1 equal to N2 by N1. What is E2? We don't know. Unknown value. So E2 by E1 value they given 2200. N2 value they given 90. N1 value they given 480. So will you calculate the value of E2? 9 by 48 into 2200. How much value of E2? Do it in calculator and tell me. Value of secondary side induced EMF. That is this one. Secondary induced EMF.
412.36.
41. Tell me ma now. It's disconnected. 412.
0.5, sir.
0.5 volts. Right. Now E2 value is 412.5 volts. Done. Next, we need to calculate the remaining parameters, that is the maximum flux. So now by using the EMF equation of single phase transformer on primary side, even they mention as 2200, substitute equal to 4.44 into what is the phi m value, we don't know, we need to calculate. Frequency they given as a 50. In the problem itself they given as 50 hertz. 50 multiplied with n1 value they given as 480. Now will you calculate value of phi m? 2200 divided by 4.44 into 50 into 480. Today we are having continuous network issues now. Calculate and tell me the value of maximum flux phi m. Ajay, Sanjeev, Bhargav. Calculate and tell me the value of maximum flux phi m. Do it in calculator and tell me the answer.
0.0206.
0.0.
0.020.
Okay, 0.02. We can conclude that as 0.02 Webers. Good, Madhu. Now we have this formula. See this. Bm is equals to phi m by A. So maximum flux calculated, secondary induced EMF calculated. Now we need to calculate cross-sectional area of core, that is A value. So we have the formula of phi m by A. So from this Bm value they given as 1.1 and phi m value we got as 0.02. So will you calculate value of A? 0.02 by 1.1. How much area of cross section or cross sectional area?
Zero point zero 0.01.
Very good. 0.01. Don't understand how to solve the problems on EMF equation of single phase transformer? Just you need to identify the given number of terms, that means your given data, and you need to apply your regular formulas. That's it. There is no complexity in solving the problem. Just you have to know the given data which related to which one. Number of turns, N1 480, N2 90. And when 2200 volts applied to transformer primary winding, that means primary in the sense immediately suffix 1. Voltage, that means V1 or E1, that equal to 2200. 50 hedges in the sense frequency, F equal to 50 hedges. And the maximum value of magnetic flux density in the sense capital B. And they given as maximum, that is Bm, that is 1.1 Tesla directly. Therefore, as per our regular formulas of EMF equation of transformer and the transformation ratio, by utilizing those two, you can solve the problems on transformers. Note down quickly so that we can do one more model problem, very simple one for your MCQs they may ask. Done, noted, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. We can move on to new screen. Now note down. A transformer has a primary coil has here I'm writing in shortcut the transformer, but we have to write in full form. Okay, in examinations don't write like this. A transformer has a primary coil and secondary coil with the number of turns are with the number of turns are 500 and 5000. 500 and 5000, full stop. Input voltage is 220 volts. The input voltage is they given us 220 volts. Find out output voltage. ఇది మీరు ఓన్గా చేయాలి, చాలా సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం. మీకు ఎంసీక్యూస్ అడగచ్చు లేదా మెయిన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో ఒక 5 మార్క్స్ కలా అడగచ్చు. Previous problem they can ask for 7 to 8 marks. Yeah, sure. So what is given data here? Tell me the given data from the given problem. The transformer has primary coil and secondary coil with the number of turns are 500 and 5000. The input voltage they given as 220 and we need to calculate the output voltage.
N1 500 sir, into 5000.
Very good. So immediately we need to draw the circuit. N1, N2. And the given input voltage, how much? 220. And we need to calculate output voltage. So they given N1 as 500 turns, N2 as 5000 turns. And the input voltage E1 is equals to 220 volts and we need to calculate E2. Nothing but the load voltage or output voltage. So what is the formula to calculate?
4.44 IMF into.
No need to go for that, ma. You have to utilize the simple formula, voltage transformation ratio, K.
E2 by E1 is equal to N2 by N. N2 by N.
K is equals to E2 by E1 is equals to N2 by N1. What is E2? We don't know. E2 by E1 value 220. What is N2? 5000 and N1 500. So from this we can calculate the unknown parameter E2. 2200 volts. Is there any difficulty while solving this problem? Very simple. Ma, all of you able to follow the solutions of the problems, how we are doing? Is my voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, note down one more problem so that we can finish this transformers topic on single phase. Quickly note down so that we can move on to the another problem. Noted, ma? We go for a similar model. Note down, a transformer has primary coil with primary coil a transformer has primary coil with 1200 turns and secondary coil with 1000 turns full stop. If the value of current in primary coil, if the primary current of coil is 4 amperes, calculate secondary coil current. If the current in primary coil, or you can write like this. If the primary current of coil is 4 amperes, calculate the current in secondary coil. So quickly tell me the given data. Quick ma, the given data.
N1 1200 tons.
N1 is equals to 1200 turns, right? That is
N2
this.
1000 tons.
N2 1000 turns. Okay. Next.
I1 4
Very good.
amperes.
Very good. Primary current I1 as 4 amperes. Now we need to calculate I2.
I2, sir.
So what is the formula to calculate I2? Same, you need to go for current transformation ratio. What is that formula? K is equals to
I1
E2
by I2, sir.
by E1 equal to N2 by N1 equal to I1 by I2. So from this you can equate these two. That means N2 by N1 equal to I1 by I2. So what is N2? They given 1000, N1 1200, I1 4 amperes and I2 unknown. So will you calculate value of I2 now?
3.33.
The answer is 3 point. Check once.
3.33.
Check once again. No? I2 is equals to, you can take this I2 on left hand side. So that means 1200
0.3.
by 1000 into 4.
0.3, sir.
No. Very simple calculation. Why you are
4.3,
doing
sir.
4
4.8.
4.8? Very good. So these
8.
are very simple calculations మా మీరు హరీబరీగా ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో సింపుల్గా ఉంది కదా అని రాంగ్ వాల్యూస్ వేయద్దు. కొంచెం కేర్ఫుల్గా ఆ రేషియోస్ చూసుకోండి. ప్రాబ్లం మొత్తం చేసి కూడా మీరు మార్క్స్ రాలేదు అనుకుంటున్నారంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రీజన్. చివర్లో ఎక్కడో చిన్న మిస్టేక్ వల్ల మీకు ఆన్సర్ పోతుంది. ఓకే, it should be 1.2. 1.2 into 4, simply 12 4s are 48, 4.8. సింపుల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్. మీరు ఏంటంటే ఫ్లోలో ఈ 1000 బై 1200 వేసేసి మల్టిప్లై విత్ 4 చేయటం అట్లా చేసేస్తారు హడావుడిగా. ఓకే, కొంచెం కేర్ఫుల్గా చేయండి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎగ్జామ్లో. మొత్తం కరెక్ట్గా చేస్తారు, చివరికి వచ్చేసరికి ఎక్కడో చిన్న మిస్టేక్ అవుద్ది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్. రైట్, డన్. నౌ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ మచ్ క్లియర్ విత్ ఆల్ ద మోడల్స్ ఇన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్స్ ఆన్ EMF ఈక్వేషన్ అండ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ రేషియో. ఎగ్జామ్లో చేయగలుగుతారా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏదైనా ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్స్ మీద ఇస్తే? Shall we move on for next topic?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Keep the side heading, ma. Very important topic. Very simple topic. Generally, students will feel very tough, but it should be very simple if you understood. Just 10 minutes topic. If it is not understood, even for 1 hour, you can't understand. Just to focus for 10 minutes only. Okay. Keep the main side heading as 3-phase transformer connections. Three-phase transformer connections. Okay, right. So before we are moving on to this topic, tell me what are the configurations we are having in three-phase? We are having two categories. What are they? Star and delta. We seen in our first unit, right? ఒకసారి మీ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ పేజెస్ తీసి పెట్టుకోండి. సో అండర్ స్టార్ కనెక్షన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిలేషన్స్? What does it mean by star connection? All similar ends are joined together, right? Here I will draw a simple diagram. All similar ends are joined together and we are forming the neutral RYB, right? Either this side or this side, you can take any one side. And what does it mean by delta? Back to back connection, right? The second end of first coil is connected to first end of the second coil, and the second end of second coil is connected to first end of the third coil, and second end of third coil is connected to first end of the first coil, right? Now what is the relations? VL and IL relations with respect to phase voltages. What is the relation in star connection? And in delta connection with respect to phase voltages and phase currents?
IL is equal to V phase.
Right, IL equal to I phase, that is in the case of a star, and in the case of delta it should be root 3 times I phase. Similarly, voltage in star is root 3 times V phase, and VL is V phase in the case of delta, right? How these are came, we already derived in unit 1 under 3 phase balanced circuits, right? We have to check once again, revise that topic. Now, 3 phase transformer connection. So transformer is generally having two sides. One is the primary side, another one is secondary side. So what are the maximum possibility of configurations under 3 phase for a star connection? If you take the primary side as a star, you can take secondary side either star or delta, right? That is one configuration. Like if you consider primary side as a star connection and secondary also star connection, that is star star transformer connection. And what is then another possibility? You can take primary as a star and secondary as delta. And what is the third possibility? Can anyone?
Delta delta connection.
Very good, very good. On primary as delta, secondary you may go for star connection, and the another configuration possibility is both are keeping in delta connections. Is there any fifth possibility? Is there any fifth possibility under this star delta for transformer both sides? Right, good. Typing in chat box. No possibilities, right? Since we are having only two configurations and two sides, so maximum we can get the probability of 4 only, right? Either star star, star delta, delta star, or delta delta. There is no another fifth configuration or fifth connection. Now we can go for one by one, right? So what is the first connection? How the connections, how the terminals we can connect, that you need to draw in your examination. I will take the new screen. All of you carefully draw it. The star star connection. Very much important, simple to understand. See, now the primary side I am taking the coil. Since it is a three phase, right? Three coils I am taking on primary side. On secondary side, similarly, I am taking three coils. Right. Up to this is clear. Since it is a three phase, I am taking primary three coils and secondary three coils. Till now, is it clear to all of you? We are not at all enter into star star. Just I am drawn the general coils on primary side and secondary side for a three phase transformer. Still now having any doubts? It's a step-by-step procedure now, very simple. This type of procedure you cannot find anywhere in any textbook. So need to respond all of you. Till now, is there any complication or any difficulty, or is there any area where you are stuck? Just I am drawn the three coils on primary, three coils on secondary. Since it is a three-phase transformer. Clear up to this? Quick mark, quick response. All right. Boys, I want to hear some voices of boys. Morning hours, I am not at all getting any activation from mechanical students. Respond, boys. Bharadwaj, 303. Ajay, 309.
Yes, sir.
Are you there? Unmute,
Sir.
unmute yourself, both of you.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow the session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's what I'm asking. If until unless if you are unable to follow, then there is no need to taking this important topic. If all are ready, then I can take this topic. Akash, 2301. Manaswini, 317. Both of you unmute ma. 301 and 317.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Right. Need to respond immediately, okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Srinivas, 322. And Sahit, 19322. Quick. Sahit and Abhishek, 332. Abhishek. Jitendra, 309. I will wait up to the end of the session. Within 10 minutes, I will wind up the session. If there is no response from these, what I called the roll numbers, that should be getting removed from the session. If you are having any technical issues, you can type in chat box or you can unmute your mic before the end of the session. And you have to respond. Jitendra, Abhishek, Sahit.
Sir, yes, sir.
Who is that one?
Sir, Sahit, sir.
Sahit. Okay. And Srinivas, 322. Right. We will forward to the topic. So now up to this was
Sir.
clear. Now, Esma, you have to tell your roll number.
Sir,
Don't say since I am
19309, sir.
Okay, right. Now see, in primary and secondary, the coils are there. Now we are moving for your understanding, you can take this as coil 1, coil, you can take this as 1 dash. But don't give these 1 dash in your examination. For your understanding, I am telling 2 dash, 3 dash. That is the terminal names we are mentioning here. Let us take here as some A dash, B dash, and C dash. Now it should be clear up to now, right? Now, what is a star connection? All the similar ends are joined together, right? All similar ends are joined together. So all the similar ends in the sense, what are the similar ends here? What are the similar ends we are having in this? 1, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, and 3, 3 dash. Now the similar ends in the sense, what are the terminals we need to take here on primary side? Similar ends in the sense, what are the terminals we need to take? This 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, all are similar secondary points.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now here I am taking them as joined together to our neutral point. Now the remaining terminals we can drag them for our supply R, Y. But this symbol indicates we are not touching that secondary coil wire. Okay, R, Y, B. That is nothing but the negative neutral wire. So R, Y, B. Now it should be clear on primary side. The similar ends we are joined 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. And the remaining we are drag them out for our input supply. So in the similar manner, will you draw for secondary side? So secondary side, what are the parameters we need to mention? Right. Once again, you can see in secondary side, both it should be same mirror image, nothing but. See here A dash, B dash, C dash. All similar ends we need to join together. Let us see 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Now what are the terminals we are joined here? 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash joined together, right? Now let us take in the secondary side as A dash, B dash, C dash. Now what are the terminals I am joined here? A dash, B dash, C dash. So the same here we need to join A dash, B dash, and C dash joined together, right? And the remaining terminals you have to drag them out. R, Y, B on secondary side. Now was it clear? The similar ends we are joined, that is similar ends in the sense which are having dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, all are shorted. On secondary side, the similar ends A dash, B dash, C dash. ఈ సెకండరీ వైర్ని మనం కామన్ టెర్మినల్స్ కింద షార్ట్ చేసేసి క్లోజ్ చేసాం. రిమైనింగ్ టెర్మినల్స్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ దమ్ ఇన్ టు అవుట్. Understand ma? Star to star connection.
Yes, sir.
Right, clear, very good. Now draw for star to delta, or else wait, I can go for delta delta so that you can understand both at a time. Delta delta 3-phase transformer connection. First, what is the step 1 we need to take? 3 coils, right, and give the indication 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash. Here A dash, and B dash, C dash. Right. Now how the delta connection will be looks like? 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash, 3 coils. How the delta connection will be going to connect? Back to back connection, nothing but first coil, this is called first coil, this is a second coil, this is third coil. Each coil having 2 terminals, that is 1 1 dash for the first coil, 2 2 dash for the second coil, 3 3 dash for the third coil. right? Now we need to connect the second end of the first coil to first end of the second coil, back to back connection. Now the second end of the second coil connected to first end of the third coil. Now the second end of the third coil is connected to first end of the first coil. Now loop is finished. Understood how we are connected, delta connection? The same you have to reflect here. Now on primary side, see delta connection. Primary side is now delta. Delta in the sense, what are the terminals we are connected? 1 dash and 2. So 1 dash and 2. Clear? Next 2 dash and 3. So 2 dash and 3 completed. Next 3 dash connected to 1. So 3 dash connected to the first terminal. Done, finished. Now you just drag these terminals to outside the common point of this, or Y, and this common point B. Finish, delta connection. Now the same we can reflect on the secondary side. Let us take as A dash, B dash, C dash. Now see, A dash is connected to B. A dash is connected to B. Next, B dash is connected to C. Back to back connection. B dash connected to C. Now C dash connected to A. C dash connected to A. R dash and Y dash, B dash. Understand ma? Delta delta connection. Just back to back. The second end of first coil connected to first end of second coil, and the second end of second coil connected to first end of the third coil, and third coil second end connected to first end of the first coil. Back to back connection. Understand delta to delta?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now will you able to draw your own the star delta connection? Star delta. Star to delta three-phase transformer connection. So first what we need to do, the three coils we need to draw. Now the primary side is a star and the secondary side is delta. Now you people have to tell me which terminals I need to connect on primary and which terminals I need to connect on secondary. Tell me on primary side.
1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash.
Very good. Now 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, all are joined together. Good. And the remaining we need to drag them out. No connection, drag them out. R, Y, B. Very good. Now tell me on secondary side delta. What are the
A
points?
dash to B,
A dash to B, good.
B dash to C,
B dash to C,
B dash to C,
right? Next.
C dash to A.
Very good, very good. Done. Finish. R dash, Y dash, and B dash. Finish. So what is the relation in the star connection? VL is equal to root 3 V phase on primary side. On secondary side, VL is equal to V phase. So that means, now tell me here, which side voltage is greater? Primary side or secondary side? Which side the voltage value is higher?
Primary.
Very good. Primary side we are having high voltage and secondary side we are having low voltage. So shall I call this kind of high voltage to low voltage transformation as a step down? Understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
So that means these kind of configurations where we can use the application is step down transformers. So whenever we require the step down application, in the case of three phase systems, we can take on primary side as a star configuration, secondary side as a delta configuration. Clear, understood where we are using this kind of configurations for three phase, that is a step down transformer. Now let's move on to delta star, the last configuration quickly. This one also I need the your own response, delta star. Very simple, ma. Once if you are understood, these are the very simple. Only the paperwork we need to draw multiple times. 1, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, 3, 3 dash. A dash, B, B dash, C, C dash. Right. Now tell me, on primary side is delta, on secondary side is star. So which terminals we need to connect on primary?
1-2, 2-3, 3-1.
Right. Sorry, this is a delta. Correct, you are correct. 2 dash 3 and 3 dash 1. Right. But this symbol is very much important. This symbol is very much. Generally, students are doing mistakes by just drawing this outside. So dragging this outside will touches this point that will leads to short circuit. Entire circuit will be going to wrong. Okay, in order to avoid this, you need to keep this isolation symbol. Okay, that means there is no contact between these two wires. That should be clearly we need to mention. So R, Y, B. Right. On secondary side,
A-, B-, C-.
good, very good. A dash, B dash, and C dash. Very good. And B, you have to drag it outside. A, that is R dash, Y dash, B dash. Done. So secondary side it should be star connection. Now delta in the sense VL equal to V phase, VL equal to root 3 times V phase. Now which side we are having high voltage and which side we are having low voltage? On primary it is
Secondary side, we are having high voltage.
good. Primary side is low voltage. So shall I use this as a step up transformer application? Right. That means these are the points you need to write in examination as a theory points. And this is your circuit. Okay. So note it down quickly. And we are also, wait 1 minute, delta to delta. This one already done, but just coming to theoretical points. So both sides, primary and secondary, both sides delta delta. That means VL equal to V phase, VL equal to V phase. Both sides low voltage, right? So where we can use these kind of configurations at low voltage transformer applications. Okay, and similarly star to star connection, it should be both sides high voltage. So that means we can use that in high voltage applications, that is high voltage transformers under three phase system. Right. So where we can use this high voltage transformer applications. మా ఇక్కడ నాకు ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ చెప్పండి. ప్రైమరీ సైడ్ స్టార్, secondary side star, right? So primary side voltage is VL root 3 V phase, VL equal to same root 3 V phase. What about the current value? IL equal to I phase, right? In star, IL equal to I phase. So here voltage is high, that should be clear. So current is lesser value, right? Low value. If current should be low value, then what is the requirement of insulation? Insulation requirement, high or low? If lower current is passing, what is the insulation requirement? Nothing but your protection need to be high or low?
Low.
Very good. The insulation required is low. So that means the number of insulations what we are required, that should be very much low, in the sense the size of transformer less, right? Whereas in delta delta, what is the problem in delta delta? Where it is delta delta. Ma, can anyone take the screenshot for today's attendance and post in our group? Meanwhile, we can conclude the session. See, in this delta delta, VL equal to V phase and VL equal to V phase, that is low voltage, but current IL equal to root 3 times I phase. Root 3 times I phase. That what should it indicates compared to star connection? Current is very much higher. High currents, even though the low voltage. So this high currents leads to requirement of insulation, high or low?
High, sir.
High. So that means it will increase the size of transformer, since the insulation value is increasing. So that means these are having in large size, these low voltage delta delta connected transformers. Clear, understood ma, all of you? Having any doubts under three phase transformer connections? In all the four configurations, that is star star, star delta, delta star and delta delta, your circuit diagram and 3 to 4 theoretical points, how you are getting connected and where you are using that and what is the application for all the four connections. Now all are confident to draw by your own all the configurations
Yes, sir.
without seeing any textbook, without seeing any material. You can draw all the four connections and you have to write minimum 4 points for each connection. So this is for 15 to 16 marks they are asking. And if they wanted to reduce the weightage of the marks, they can ask any two configurations, like draw the three-phase transformer connections under star delta and delta star. That's it. Only two connections. They are asking for 8 marks. Minimum 8 marks. If they are asking all the four connections, that should be for 16 marks. Okay, ma? Right. Attendance taken, posted in our group.
Yes, sir. Posted, sir.
Okay, ma,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Good, good. Today we are having good strength. So that's the reason I am continued up to additional 20 minutes. Right. Thank you, ma. Thank you all. So in the next session, that means by Tuesday, we can go for one MCQ test and another new topic, that is a three-phase induction motors. Okay. Right. Very good. Thank you all, ma.